Prison watch houses are places where people charged with offences wait for police interview or court appearances. They're not built to detain people long term and they're not designed for children. But kids often spend hours, sometimes even days, in Tasmanian prison watch houses. The custodial inspector has urged the state government to stop the practice, saying it put the safety of detained children at risk. Using right to information, the ABC obtained a document outlining some of the issues prison staff have with detaining children in watch houses. Among them, that a child's time in a watch house is a high-risk period for suicide and self-harm, that detained children can't access basic hygiene, sometimes spending days without showering. They're exposed to adult prisoners who can see and speak to them. An example was cited in the report of young people being exposed to a naked adult detainee. This document was unredacted when sent, but this was clearly in error because it was recalled about a minute later, then resent heavily blacked out. But a right to information researcher questioned why that was, as the information doesn't identify anyone and is in the public interest.
It really undermines public trust in governments when they keep redacting stuff.
It's important to note the Justice Department is quoted in the document responding to these issues and proposing change, including advocating for watch houses to be part of the government's overhaul of the youth justice system. The department also says it's implementing body-worn cameras, which was an urgent request from staff to improve safety. It also says additional measures are being taken to separate youth from adult detainees where possible. When asked why the document was not made public in the first place, it said the ABC can seek a review of the RTI decision if dissatisfied.